In section 3.7, example 1, graph each function. Compare each graph to the graph of f of x equals the absolute value of x. Describe the domain and the range. All right. So if I want to graph f of x equals the square root of x, or the absolute value of x, that's going to look like this. Okay, where the slope is 1, 1, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1. And it's continuously going that way, and it's continuously going that way. This, g of x, is the absolute value of x plus 2. Just like we learned in 3.6, plus 2 is not inside the parentheses, or in this case, the absolute value signs. It's outside of it, and we're adding 2. So this is going to be a vertical shift upward 2. 1, 2. This is f of x, and this is g of x. So my domain, the domain for, do I need to explain the domain for both? I'll do the both anyways. So let's do f of x. My domain is going to be all the x values, right? So since these arrows are going in the forever in the negative direction and forever in the positive direction, it's going to be all my x numbers. So I can say all reals. My range is the y numbers. Where is the lowest y value? Right there at the origin, at the 0. Okay? And how far up on the y-axis is it going? It's going forever in the positive direction. So, y. Y is 0 and everything above. Now let's do g of x, the new graph, domain. Once again, all reals. It's going forever in the negative x direction and forever in the positive x direction. The range, the lowest y value is at the 2. So y is greater than or equal to 2 for the range. Or if you prefer to say it, y is greater than or equal to 2. That works too. I actually prefer it that way. Now b. Once again, I'll put our original absolute value. There's our f of x. Now m of x plus 3 is on the inside, so we're thinking horizontal shift. I'm in opposite world because I'm inside, so I'm not going to move to the right. I'm going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And I got to make sure I get, all of the points correct. 1, 2. Okay. There we go. And that is m of x. All right. And we will put in our domain for, let's just do the m of x. So our domain for m of x, once again, forever in all directions, all reals, all real numbers. Our range, did it change? Nope. Y is greater than or equal to 0. The y numbers go up and down. Did they go past the 0 mark for the y? No, it did not. And it's going forever in the positive direction.